Good morning, my dear student. Today I will start future tense, and in previous class we have discussed present tense and past tense. So today I will continue the next tense, that is future tense. First of all, we will discuss simple future tense. So the future simple tense is used to express the action or event which is likely to happen in future. In this tense, we use shall or will between the subject and the first form of the verb. Normally, we use shall with first person I and we. In the same way, we use will with the pronouns of second person you and third person he, she, it, they. Rule: subject plus shall or will plus verb first form plus object. Example: we shall see the picture today. Next is they will come here soon. Now, in affirmative sentences, note in these sentences we will write shall or will between the subject and first form of the verb. Rule: subject plus shall or will plus verb first form plus object. Examples: they will go for the meeting. Next example is you will go to college today. Now for negative sentences, note in these sentences we will write not after the helping verb and before first form of the verb. Rule: subject plus shall or will plus not plus verb first form plus object. Examples: they will not go for the meeting. Next example: you will not go to the college today. Now, next sentence is interrogative sentences. Note in interrogative sentences, will or shall is placed before the subject and first form of the verb after it. Rule: will or shall plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Question mark. Examples: will they go for the meeting? Question mark. Next is will you go to the college today? Question mark. Now for interrogative negative sentences. Note in these sentences we will write helping verb will or shall before subject and not after the subject and before first form of the verb. Rule: will or shall plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object. Question mark. Examples: will they not go for the meeting? Question mark. Next is will you not go to the college today? Question mark. Next is shall I not write a letter? Question mark. So in this way we have completed simple future tense.